Flight of 2 standard en route direct Bedford for the Winter Classic. Flight of 2 standard, we're VFR at 11.5 direct Bedford for the Winter Classic. We're going to begin our descent down to 2500 upon crossing over Bedford, but any requests that you have, we can adjust our altitude if we need to. You'd like us to go to that hold point at 11.5 right now, we can. It's totally up to you. 1A firm, I'd like to maintain 11.5 if that is a good altitude for you guys.
Yeah, we're still pretty far out.
Expect us to just execute kind of a present position orbit here. At about 5 Mike, we'll proceed to the hold. And the 2 bridges there, that's the Charles, and then just beyond it you can see 2 light posts. It might be tough to pick up a tally on that. Range 1, checking an as frag, and into the hold. Hey, Range 1, checking an as frag.
Range 1, radio check. Hey, Range 2's got you loud and clear.
1 has you about 3 by 5. Say again. Top check 1's 13.8 over 15.6, bounce normal. Approach Ridge would like an in-place descent down to 2,500 if able. Cessna down there at 2,500 feet. Nice visual right over the hold point, and I can see the light post. First status update, we're established at 25 in the hold now. Also making sure I can still talk to you. Appreciate that. Still got another, looks like about 10 mic until we start inbound. Ridge is Boston, Ridge is departing the hold in 1 mic. We're going to do a climbing right-hand turn to the west, about 8,500 feet. We were told it was going to maintain primarily east of the stadium. Is that true, or is it going to be over the stadium? When I firm, once again, I was told they were going to be east of the field, and I'm going to initiate a right turn to the west as I cross. All right, dude, but I don't have the GoPro. We're initiating our inbound leg. Copy, zone restricted climb, post flyby, thanks. That was my bad initiating the climb right after. Should have slowed down on that one. Alright, you have the lead.
Lead left, bro.
That was fun, man.
My formation block, I back to him. Dude, I was full grunt trying to keep up with you.
Dude.
I was like, please don't bust the number.
Expect it to be that fast. That was my bad. I really slow rolled us big time, but I think that's going to be one of the coolest ones ever.
Hell yeah.